Hi there guys, nice to see you today. And today we're going to talk about the next generation of privacy infrastructure. I mean project that called NIM on a coin list. You shouldn't worry about reliance. Privacy should simply be the default of the internet. But due to the way of the internet operates today, the consequences of surveillance threaten of all of us, from the stolen funds and identities to profiling and human rights violation. Use NIM to get network level privacy. NIM protect against even the most powerful network adversaries that can observe every packet going and in out of the internet connections. With NIM, we can use the internet without fear of being watched. It sounds pretty cool, and today we observe this project and speak about upcoming events that will happen on a coin list very soon. And the registration deadline February the 6th, midnight UTC. I will tell you today about all this information. Let's go. On the main website we can find all necessary information about product, view exchange, block, and etc. But let me draw your attention to the registration deadline February the 6th at 23:59 UTC. You as a participator can have two options, options 1 and options 2. Difference between two options will be explained very soon. There are differences in the prices and in terms. So let's observe the video that explain all the main information about the NIM. So it sounds pretty cool. NIM allows us by the mixture net to defend our privacy and defend our surveillance. So let's speak about key highlights. It's a protect privacy at the network layer, incentivized and decentralized, and works with any applications. Sounds pretty cool, and we will speak about it in details. NIM encrypts and relays your internet traffic through a multi-layer network called a mixnet. Speaking about incentivized and decentralized, users pay a fee in NIM, the native token of the NIM mixnet, to send their data through the mixnet. By planting an initial bond of NIM, anyone can run a mixed node. Anyone holding NIM can delegate to a node to increase its reputation. And from Bitcoin to Zcash, no current layer 1 blockchain provides layer 0 privacy for the peer-to-peer broadcasts used in every transactions. NIM can provide network layer privacy for any blockchain and other generation applications. So, but let's return to our matins and speak about sale options. Let me remind you that deadline is the 6th of February, tomorrow. So there are two options. Options 1, it's 50 cents per token. Option 2, it's 25 cents per token. What is the difference? Difference in supply for sale, 5% goes to options 1 and 2.5% goes to options 2. 2. Purchase limits the same. Oh, by the way, not the same. Purchase limit a little bit increased for options 2. What about funding methods? USDT, USDC, Ethereum, BTC, Sol, Algo, and so on. Lockup and release. For the options 2, token unlock on around March 31. Speaking about options 2, token unlock on around May 3, followed by a 2-year quarterly release. If you follow this project, if you are aware about this project, choose your options and register it now. Don't waste your time on thinking a lot. Do your own research and participate. So let's speak about tokenomics. NIM is a native token of the NIM mixnet. It's a utility token that rewards mixed nodes for mixing traffic and providing privacy for users of the NIM network. So total supply is 1 billion tokens. And speaking about token allocations, bakers get 36.5%, team takes 20%. It's quite big sum for team, I think. But we will see how it will be released in the future, and we can think it over. What else? CoinList sale 7.5%, reserve and community 11%, and mix mining 25%. We will see how it will be released, and probably it has some sense. So release schedule. Speaking about whole circulation supply, it will be released in 100 months. 100 months, it's more than, wow, it's 8 years. Oh, it's 8 years. Quite big. Yeah. Token use case. Speaking about token use case, it's privacy, delegate staking, run a NIM node, and fees. So use NIM tokens to access the mixnet for privacy. Speaking about delegating, delegate NIM to mix nodes that provide good quality of service and earn a share of the rewards. Fees and NIM token are used to pay for transactions. Fees on the blockchain keep the network-wide map of mixed nodes and their reputation in NIM up to date. Okay, let's speak about technology. Couple of words about technology opportunity and how it will be released. Let's compare it with VPNs and with Tor and with NIM. Let me draw attention to this points: VPN, Tor, and NIM. How powerful is NIM for protecting privacy, and how does it compare to VPN and Tor? NIM is the next generation privacy infrastructure. The aim is to defeat surveillance in the age of machine learning algorithms and powerful network-wide monitoring. And what does it mean? Let's speak about VPNs. The most broadly used network-level privacy solution are VPNs, virtual private network. Also, VPNs provide the ability to hide the precise IP address of a user, so they are a centralized solution. This means that VPNs providers can fully observe all networks traffic between their users in the public internet, knowing exactly what services its users are accessing at any given time. Furthermore, VPNs offer no protections against powerful network adversaries. So in this case, it's quite interesting to speak about Tor. Tor tries to solve this surveillance problem by routing a circuit through 3 layers, which provides better privacy than single-node VPNs. Tor encrypts traffic multiple times so that only the final Tor node can use the destination. However, Tor's anonymity properties can be defeated, by an entity like an intelligence agency that it is capable of monitoring the entire Tor network's entry and exit nodes. This is because Tor doesn't add timing obfuscation covert traffic to obscure the traffic patterns in circuit, which can be used to correlate flows and de-anonymize users. So, in this case, NIM can provide more powerful network-level privacy for cryptocurrency transactions, email, instant messaging, and any other message-based traffic. Unlike Tor, NIM's mixnet design guarantees network anonymity and resistance to surveillance, even in the face of adversaries capable of monitoring an entire network. By adding covert traffic and timing obfuscation, the NIM mixnet is decentralized rather than operated by a trusted provider like a VPN, as its use blockchain technology and economic incentives to decentralize the network. NIM node operators are incentivized to run nodes and provide good quality of service uptime. So that sounds pretty cool, and let me tell you a couple of words about bakers on board. Binance, Tiga Capital, Digital Currency Group, NGS Ventures, Polychain Capital, who else? Asir, Hobby Ventures, who else? Hashkey and Kryptonite. Eden Block also. Milestones: Inceptions, tokenized testnet, mainnet launch. NIM's inceptions in the fall of 2018 at the Binance Incubator program. That's a good sign. Speaking about tokenized testnet, a rebuild of mixnet in Rust for performance improvements. What else? Mainnet launch, mainnet blockchain Nix launched. Mixnet smart contracts deployed, mainnet tokens generated. Speaking about the current year roadmap to mainnet: launch of NIM Network Explorer, launch of NIM Wallet and Block Explorer, testnet Fini grew to over 8,000 nodes, becoming larger than Tor. So, team, you can read all information about the team. I don't know these guys, but I think it's quite professional and very experienced to do such type of project, So it's really a promising project with a high level of understanding how to protect our privacy and how to build a very good infrastructure around this process. So if you want to participate in NIM that will happen on CoinList, don't waste your time, hurry up and follow the instruction on the CoinList website, follow the link below the video, and subscribe, follow this project and stay in a profitable mode. Today we have spoken about the next generation of privacy infrastructure, NIM, that will happen on a CoinList. Have a nice time, guys. Bye.